In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to generate AI picture of yourself using Photolab. So if you don't have Photolab in your phone, in your device, the first thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store. You type Photolab. Okay, so this is the latest version of Photolab. This is the latest version. If you still have the old version, you can update it here. So you download it if you don't have it before. So I'm going to open from here. I already have it in my phone. I've already installed the app. So let me just open it. So to generate your own AI photo, click on New. It's loading. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. And please kindly like, share this video and leave a comment below. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I drop another video. These are the pictures that I used before to generate AI photo. So I'm going to be using another picture to generate AI photo. So what this thing does is, immediately you put in your picture, it will generate your AI photo of all these templates. This my yearbook, multi-theme. It will produce your AI photo of all of them. So you're not the one to pick which one you want to save. So let's start. Let me upload a picture first. I'll click on this image here, this one here. Click on it. Let me use this. Okay. So it's loading ad. We have to cancel the ad. All right. Okay. So you can see it's generating the AI for the picture. You can see all the categories have changed, right? You can see it. So let's open this and see. Okay, so now you will choose if you are a male or female. If you are a male, you choose male, you click on male. If you are a female, you click on female. So it's already on female. So you have to choose the hair, your hair style and color, right? So if I want to choose this color, you can see the color now. If I want to choose this color of hair, if I want to choose this color of hair, if I want to choose whatever color of hair you want to choose, but let me choose black. Let me go with black and let me go with this style, this one here. So proceed. Okay, so it's actually working on it now, trying to produce the AI picture. Wow, you can see the pictures that it has generated for us. Okay, so let's download. You can download the whole picture, right? You can download the whole pack. You can see where it's written download. Okay, so this is an ad. Let's cancel. So you can actually download the whole pack, but if you don't want to download the whole pack, you can just come and choose the one you want to download. Okay, so let me download this Mexican Fiesta. I click on it, saved to gallery. Okay, right. If you want to share it to Photolab feed, just like you are seeing other people's picture when you open the Photolab app, you can click on this place here. Let me click on it. Okay, so you choose the one you want to share. Let me click on this. Proceed. Right? So this is it. So you share. It's loading. All right. It say all done. Your combo is now part of the Photolab feed. Let your friends see and apply it to share our special link in Messenger. So that picture now is on Photolab. You can see it. So let me try to download some other ones. Let me download these African readings. All right. Let me click on download the whole pack. Okay, let this one finish loading. All right, download the whole pack. Saved to gallery. Image saved, so it is saved already to gallery. So let's go back. So we are back to this place. You can actually look for another one that you want to download. Okay, let me click on this career tryout, right? Proceed, click on proceed here. Okay, so we have to cancel this ad. Okay, so you can see that it's generating the AI photo, the one we picked now, the career stuff. Wow, look at the different picture that it's generated for us. Okay, so as I've said before, you can also download the whole pack, right? Just click on continue. You click go back, click on this here, go back. Okay, so he said it's saved to gallery, so it's actually loading. You can see at the bottom it's loading. When it's done, it will show us image saved. All right, so we are going to be using a male picture too. Let's use a male picture. You click on this image. Let me use this. Let me use that. Okay, so it's loading an ad. You close it. It's generating the picture. All right, these are all the templates. Let's click on this career tryout. This is the career tryout, so these are what it generated for us. All right, so if you want to download the whole pack, you click on download the whole pack, right? Okay, so you just click on download the whole pack and it will take you to this place. You click on cancel, right? Download the whole pack, click on continue, right? Then you cancel. Okay, so it's loading. You just have to click on that cancel. Sometimes it takes time before it will cancel. So that's all for this video, how to generate AI photo of yourself with Photolab. So this is just it. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Please kindly like this video, share this video, leave a comment below. If you have any question, you can drop it at the comment section. If you were able to generate your AI photo successfully, let me know in the comment section. If you have any challenge, also let me know in the comment section. Click on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop another video. So this here will end today's video. Bye.